Subject-verb agreement ulit. This pair of shoes blank new heels. Need or needs. Again, kapag meron tayong mga paired items like shoes, slippers, socks, or mga nouns occurring in sets of two, or yung mga bagay or items with two parts like scissors, tweezers, mga jeans, pajamas, shorts, ang lagi niyong hahanapin yung word na pair. Alright? Now, kapag may word na pair, singular agreement ang gagamitin natin. So, ang tamang sagot dito ay needs, letter B. Pero, pag walang word na pair, shoes lang, plural agreement ang gagamitin natin. Therefore, sa sentence na to, since merong pair, this pair of shoes needs new heels. Pero again, kapag walang pair, need ang kailangan natin. Halimbawa, ang ginamit mo dito, these shoes, yung T-H-E-S-E. Okay? These shoes need new heels. Take note though na kapag yung pair na mismo ay plural, halimbawa pairs, plural agreement na rin yung gagamitin natin. Halimbawa, these pairs of shoes need new heels.